Hi friends, let's get some coffee now maybe. I hope you enjoyed the pretty clouds and chirping birds. I really wanted to come up with a peaceful and cheerful intro for you all. And by the way, sorry for such a long silence. You have no idea how many times I've tried to start editing this video from scratch. In vain, because in my old stubbornness I decided to try out a new editing tool. And yeah, that was difficult, but I just kept pushing myself and I decided that I want to finish this video with that new tool, which obviously was a mistake. I was trying out DaVinci Resolve and man, was that overwhelming. After a couple of attempts, I just decided to get back to my good old iMovie just to move forward and add something new, especially that there's a lot of updates. So plan is I just keep working with iMovie and maybe just learn DaVinci Resolve in the meantime, because I really feel like learning more, but I guess it's just not the time yet. Right now I'm actually sitting down for dinner, and I ordered dumplings and fortune cookie. And oh no, don't suppose you can see. It's all crumbled, but that's fine. I was unpacking the order, and I actually recorded something before, but I thought it's just a nice opportunity to open up the fortune cookie with you. Oh no! Small problems only disappear with a brave heart. I have no idea if you can see that. How accurate. Okay, the cookie got opened. I have my dumplings waiting for me. I think I will just leave you with my future self, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Well, first I want to mention that everything is A-OK and groovy. It's just been a lot, everything at once. Finals, work trip, back injury, and another sick leave because of that. And I had to put my trainings on pause, which is awful, by the way. I mean, I'm no pro, but I love working out and doing pole dance. And now there's nothing but waiting for different examinations and results, and oh my gosh. I know it's dramatic, taking into account that I'm healthy and my life and my family's life is not in any danger either, and so on, but I know. I think I was just in a shock. I've had back injuries before, but not like this. And I hate to admit that, but I got scared and almost devastated for a couple of days. It's a new situation for me. And my partner has been taking care of me the whole time. I'm lucky I can move at all, and that the only thing I have to do now is rest, eat well, walk regularly, and wait for diagnosis and further plan. Although I hope it's nothing, and that's just a new kind of pain you discover in your 30s. We'll see. Have you ever had an injury like that? If so, I'm curious how you coped with that. Like how did you deal with the pain, the shift in your situation, like you have cancel stuff, and yeah, how did you cope with that? Though I hope you don't have such experiences, of course, but life. But now something completely different. Nice stuff. In the midst of not so happy times. Finals weekend, as you can see. Catching up on assignments and delivering almost everything too late. Yep. It had been right before my 3 days work trip, after which came another weekend with exams. The last ones. And now I can tell you that I passed everything last week. It's summer break. Yeah, it's so weird to have all my weekends until October school free. I mean, I can wake up anytime, go visit my parents or long distance friends, or spend a whole Saturday in the library. Unbelievable. And how do you spend your weekends, by the way? Do you also have some school stuff or something? And what else? I think that's all. Yeah, that's it. Let's move to some other good stuff now. There's not much, but here's my recent collection of tiny things that brought me joy, which now I hope to share with you. I mean, I hope you will share my joy. And I still hate recording anything in public, but I take so many pictures like this anyway that I thought I might as well just make short videos of what I see. So here it is. I hope some of those made you smile, friends. Okay, no, that's really it. Bye now. See you soon.